The renders of the Samsung Galaxy S11 is out now, and we got some of the trustable key specifications that you would probably get on the Galaxy S11 series. Hi, my name is Femil from fmjdec.com, and for those who are new to this channel, the subscribe button is for you. Let's get right into the video. So Samsung Galaxy S11 series. The name of all the models in this series are well confirmed. Galaxy S20e, Galaxy S11 and the bigger Galaxy S11 Plus. Galaxy S11 and S11 Plus will have 120Hz display. We know 120Hz display are super smooth. We also got the display size of the S11 series from a tweet by Evan Blass, smartphone tester. The tweet says that Galaxy S11e will either have a 6.2-inch or 6.4-inch display, S11 will have 6.7-inch display similar to the Note 10 Plus, and S10 Plus will have 6.9-inch display. Yeah, 6.9-inch display is the biggest display Samsung ever put on their smartphones. But don't consider Samsung Galaxy Fold, it's having a different form factor. We also got some information that most of the people probably don't like. Yeah, all the S11 series will have curved edge display, even on S11e. We know S10e is having a flat style display, and because of this reason, most of the people who don't like a curved display bought S10e when the S10 series is launched. But it's not the case with the S11e. This variant also comes with a curved edge display. What do you think about this curved edge display on S11e? Let me know in the comment section down below. This is the image of the actual battery of Galaxy S11e. This image is found on a Korean certification website. The model number on this battery is exactly matches with the S11e model number. So it's the same battery that surely comes inside the S11e. The image is little blurred, but by doing math between the rated capacity and the volt, we may get a battery of almost 4000 mAh. This is significantly bigger than Galaxy S10e. Maybe the display needs more power, so more capacity battery is provided. Okay, processor. Samsung will use Exynos 990 processor in the markets like Europe, Asia and more. It's not the only processor that comes with S11 series. They also use Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. On December 3rd, Qualcomm will officially launch its flagship processor Snapdragon 865 to the market, so the chipset leak is almost confirmed. It also brings Adreno 650 GPU, which is clocked at 587 MHz. This will surely bring 70 to 20% increase in the GPU performance. From a trustful Greek website, we also got some of the camera leaks. This phone will record 8K videos at 30 FPS. That will surely be a greatest move from Samsung. The leak says that it will have 100 times zoom camera. That's insane, but 100 times zoom is not optical zoom. It only has 10 times optical zoom and 100 times zoom is digital zoom. But the zoom capacity is way higher. More camera leaks are yet to come. When we get more leaks about the upcoming Galaxy S11, I will update you with a new video. So stay subscribed. My name is Femil and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.